Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Opera Browser on your Samsung Galaxy A13. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. And in the main page, press on the search button and search for Opera. When you find it, it's this app right here. We can install it. When it's done, open. Continue. Enable ad blocking, enable tracking, set Opera as default. You can skip it as well if you want. So let me just do that. Allow all the notifications and everything. And the last option is to select the color you want your Opera to be. I'm gonna choose this one. And our app is ready to be used. You can type in any address you want and just go there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.